Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Saturday here in the UAE, and I'm pretty excited about an update I want to bring and a sample product I ordered for about today's 28. About 28 days ago, finally arrived this morning. I mean, after a lot of iterations, which I also have made a video already of the mistakes you want to avoid when you are ordering your sample product. Because I mean, this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. You need to like prepare yourself. You don't just want to go into the market unprepared, not knowing your product, not knowing what you're selling, not knowing your product. Yeah, like you want to get it right at least from the jump. Of course, you're still going to learn, you're still going to make some mistakes, you're still going to get feedbacks, but that initial setup to starting the brand, right? You want to make sure that you cross most of your I's and dot most of your T's. But anyway, without going so much on and on and on, the sample product finally arrived and I'm excited. Like I'm happy that they're here. Because they came in this box. Let me show you. Um, so they came in this box. So when you order the sample, this is how it's gonna come. Because there's no label around it. So there's still a lot of work that is going to be done because this is not how your customers are going to receive it. It's because it's coming from a supplier slash manufacturer. That's why it's coming like this. It's just to get a feel of how the product looks like, the package, if I like it, if I have to seek a third party packaging company and all of that. So this process itself is very, very important because it's going to help me make some decisions and note down the things I want and the things I don't want, and so that its changes can reflect in the final product. So I'm just going to unbox it. I've unboxed it already. So, but anyway, so I ordered two samples. These are it looks, right? From the whole idea, thinking it in the mind to having it, designing it. I designed this myself. All this, I designed it myself. Of course, I used some tools, but yeah, it was in my mind. I designed it myself. From using the mind to like first think about it, then designing it and coming out, it's mind blowing. I won't even lie. Like, yeah. And I've, created companies that are successful, and I've followed this process. Is not new, but every time like stuff like this happens, it's just it's not mundane. It's just like another feeling of like, yes, like you are creating something. That feeling of being a creator is, I can't put it into words. You just have to experience it yourself. And the way you can experience it yourself is start on that idea that you have in your head. Do you understand? Don't overthink it, right? Picture the ideal life you want to live based on the business you're creating. Because at the same time, I'm not going to what I'm about to say, I'm not going to say it like thought of it, right? Of course, that's how I live my life, but I'm just going to draw an inspiration from something I was listening to. I was listening to Iman, this very popular business, successful business owner. So I was just listening to him on IG, and he said something about building a business that does not imprison you. And I think that's very, very important because we all have different ideas of success, right? We want the big mansion and all of that. But when you have all of that and you can't even do the things that brings joy to your heart, or you can't just wake up and be like, okay, today I'm going to London, just like that. I mean, it's different for everybody. That's how I am. I like to travel and I don't like to just be in a place, right? So yeah, you have to think of all these things when you are creating your product. So when I'm back to what I'm saying, this is an indication for you to start that business. But when you're starting it, think of the ideal lifestyle you want to live so that you don't just start the business, then the business imprison you, right? You don't want to be working for your business. You want the business to be working for you. So yeah, this is the product. I've tested it this morning while going to the gym. I'm going to edit that video and I'm going to also post it on this channel. But yeah, I took because it says one capsule per day, right? Because of the ingredients. I think they are pretty powerful ingredients that I need. We have the GABA, we have a little bit of caffeine in it, we have bacopa in it, we have niacin in it. I think you find niacin in watermelon, right? So these ingredients are packed in this product that are meant to improve your focus. And I won't lie because I know how my body functions. When I take any certain drug, my friends can test to this. When I take any certain drug, while it takes some people for maybe like 1, 2, 3 hours for it to break down in their body and work, mine takes like 5 minutes. By 5 minutes, I already know what's going on, and it's mind blowing. I won't even lie. Apart from the fact that when you work out, there are some certain hormones that releases in your body or chemicals that releases in your body that makes you sharp, focused. I'm saying that I know the difference between when I didn't take this, because this is the first time I'm taking it. When I didn't take this, right? And when I took it and I worked out, there was a difference. It was my thoughts were clearer, first of all, right? I was more present. I'm always present. Like I try to be present. Don't let me sound like a monk, but I noticed a big difference. There's a big difference. First, it broke down fast in my body due to like the way my body metabolize ingredient or food like that. That's just how my body works. So I was able to notice the difference faster. So I realized like I was able to complete my workout within the set of time. I wasn't going back and forth with my phone. I was just like focused on getting my workout done. Then I noticed something. There was like an increased sense of energy. I don't know if it's due to the caffeine, but there was an increased sense of energy like while I was working out. I was just because before I would be towards the end of the workout, I'll be like fatigued, right? I'll be getting tired because I've been working out. But with this one, I just noticed like for example, when I was doing the bicycle kick, I just like went through it. 30 reps of 3 sets. I just went through it. Meanwhile, before at the last set, right, I'll be struggling to like I'll finish it, but I'll be struggling. But I just went through it and I still did another like exercise right after. So I can say not just because this is a brand I'm creating, this shit actually works. It really works. And I can't wait to hear the testimonies from customers that will be buying this. Really, I can't wait to hear it. So that's just the update I want to bring. The sample product is here. There will be a lot of like I'll be reviewing it, corrections that will be made on it, which will be as a form of feedback that I'll be putting into the final outlook. Packaging, I have to highlight how the packaging needs to look like the design. Most likely I'm going to not most likely definitely I'm going to seek a third party packaging service that is going to design it, package the founder's message is going to be in it to make it more personalized. So there will be a lot of changes that will be happening with this product. So anyway, I'm excited. It's like go time. There will be more updates that will be dropped, but until the next one, the next video, be well and be safe. Bye.